Hi, I'm Ruggero from One Foot in the Door, and today we're looking at a fantastic performance by Gene Hackman in Mississippi Burning. So this was requested by Dalla, so thank you very much, Tommy. We don't need much backstory, but much context, I don't think. It's pretty early on in the movie and it's pretty self-explanatory, I think. So let's jump right in, and as always, I'll stop and start a little bit. Let's go.
Good morning. My name's Alan Ward. I'm with the FBI.
Federal Bureau of Immigration. That getup, you ain't exactly undercover, are you now?
We're here to see Sheriff Stuckey.
Sheriff's right busy now. You'll have to wait or come back some other time.
We'll wait.
Okay, so right away, that look, that stare that he does, extremely powerful. And it tells us so much about how he feels about this deputy sheriff. And then that little look to the side, that's a very interesting technique, by the way. It's a tiny thing, but he didn't do this. So, you couldn't see his eyes move because he was staring one place first and then closed his eyes, and when he opens them again, he's looking that way already. Yeah. That's very powerful. It's a bit of a sort of conceal reveal type of thing, and if you know how to do it, it can be very powerful. Let's see now. He set himself up in a certain way. Now we have certain expectations about how he feels, how he might now act. Let's see what happens.
All right. Yeah. All right, hey, take care of yourself. All right.
Listen to me, you backwoods shit-ass you. You got about 2 seconds to get the sheriff out of here. I'm gonna kick the goddamn door in. Okay?
Genius. Absolute genius. He lets the lines do their job, so the words are extremely strong, and he plays it against the text because he smiles. The obvious way to play this is to be threatening. He doesn't at all. He smiles, he's charming. That creates a huge contrast between what he's saying and how he's saying it. Genius.
Well, hell. Looks like we got some company. Some Hoover boys come down to visit. How you doing?
Good.
I'm Sheriff Stuckey.
Rupert Anderson.
Rupert?
Uh-huh.
We've been expecting you. I assume you met my deputy, Mr. Pale.
Sure did.
And that's great. We see the hidden disdain in his performance, not because he's playing it, but because we've just seen what he really felt in that first stare and what he said. And now just that he keeps, he stays there, he avoids making eye contact, but he keeps smiling. And we feel so much how he hates these guys.
You down here to help us solve our nigger problems?
No, it's just a missing person case.
Well, come on. Say, you gonna want your boy in on this?
Sheriff, I'm Special Agent Ward, and I'm in charge of this case. We think it might be a little more serious than missing persons.
I don't think so, boy. In fact, you know what I think it is? It's a publicity stunt cooked up by that Martin Luther King fella. Come on.
And that's it. And in that last stare, we can see, in that last moment when he just looks away, looks at his partner, we can feel all the disdain that he feels for these people. But at the same time, we can see how he's hiding that from them. And that is a fantastic performance, because he manages to convey so much whilst hiding it from the other characters. And again, amazing choice to go with that type of interpretation. That little speech he gives at the beginning, anyone else would have just played it straight, would have just tried to be intimidating. And the fact that he smiles so charmingly, it just makes it so much more effective. So thank you very much, Tommy, for recommending this. This type of analysis of the performance and interesting choice is one of the key elements to make your performance stand out, and it is something that I go very much into detail with on my unboxing screen acting, online screen acting course volume 2, which is not out yet. It's coming up. Volume 1 is out right now, so you can check out on the link below and get a free lesson if you want. So guys, let me know what you think. As always, if you have any recommendations for other great pieces of acting, great actors, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.